Hello and welcome everybody. HKD stock on 27 November. Let's see that step by step with easy price prediction explained. If you are new to this video, don't forget to subscribe and like, and let's go for what we want. So according to this part and this part that we see, this is going to be referring for us that increase in momentum would be a result. What would happen if that going to be the price that can be absolutely done for every part. Okay, so I think this is going to be HKD stock on 27 November. The price here, and then think about it. This is going to be HKD AMTD digital. So this is going to be referring for us that is going to be the 01 Fibonacci strategy here. It's going to be about the value of the 1971, and here is going to be a value of, okay, maybe if we tend to get it in a lowest value that it has reached is going to be about 18 USD. That what the HKD seems to be one of the stocks that we should take care about, or is called a AMTD digital. Good luck.